In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature line and an image of your handwritten signature to a document using Word. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that it's simple and frustration-free. So let's dive right in. Start by opening the document where you want to add your signature. Now, find the exact spot where you want the signature to appear and click right there. This sets the stage for inserting the signature line. Next, you'll need to navigate to the Insert tab at the top of your screen. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Signature Line, which you'll find under the Text group. Give it a click, and this will open a dialog box called Signature Setup. In this dialog box, you're presented with several options to customize your signature line. Here, you can specify details like the suggested signer, which could be your name, the title of the signer if you're working with professional documents, and even an email address. These fields help clarify who should sign and how they may be contacted. Also, you'll notice a couple of checkboxes. One allows the signer to add comments, and the other displays the date when the signature is added. Depending on the context of your document, these features could be quite handy, especially for tracking and verification purposes. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click OK. You'll now see a signature line inserted into your document, ready for use. Let's move on to adding an image of your handwritten signature, which can add a personal touch to your documents. To do this, begin by signing your name on a piece of paper. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, use a scanner or your smartphone's camera to capture the image of your signature. Save this file as an image, either in JPEG or PNG format, whatever works best for you. With your handwritten signature now digitized, head back to Word. Navigate again to the Insert tab, but this time choose Pictures. Select your signature image from the files on your device. Once inserted, you might need to crop or format it to fit just right on the page, ensuring it looks clean and professional. If you envision needing this signature block in future documents, there's a neat little trick to save time. You can save your image and any associated text as a quick part. Simply select the image and any accompanying text, then go back to Insert, locate Quick Parts, and click on Save Selection to Quick Part Gallery. This way, you can easily reinsert it into any document with just a few clicks, streamlining your workflow and keeping your documents consistent. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward way to insert both a signature line and a handwritten signature into your Word documents. I hope you found this guide helpful.